Hey guys, today we'll try to understand one of the most important feature of Google, which will be subsequently using for our new series that will be starting post next week about Python. Yeah, so we'll not try to install any kind of new softwares. Rather, we'll use Google Colab. Now let's start understanding what is Colab. Colab is a kind of free notebook, is a free notebook environment that runs entirely on cloud. So you do not need to store any kind of files on your system. Uh, Rather, you'll be using your Gmail login to save your files or do any kind of practice or going through the sessions that we'll be doing over a period of time. So let's concentrate on what Google Colab does. Let's have some introduction on it. So as I said, it runs entirely on cloud. Yeah. And it works exactly as what Google Docs works. Yeah. Yeah. It again supports Python, and many of its machine learning libraries. Yeah, that's keeping terms. Yeah. So you can easily load Python and its machine learning libraries in Google Colab to work on that. So what is Google Colab? Now you know Google has been quite aggressive in AI research. Now, for many years, Google developed an AI framework. AI is artificial intelligence. So, Google developed AI framework called TensorFlow. Yeah. So, Google AI research, which has developed the TensorFlow, right? Now, TensorFlow is an AI framework, and the development tool that is being used is collaboratory. Yes, this is AI framework. Yes, and collaboratory is a tool, is a development tool which is being used to develop this AI framework. Now, today, as such, TensorFlow is open source, and since 2017, Google made collaboratory free for public use. Now, what collaboratory is also known as Google Colab, or simply we call it as Colab. So you say it as Google Colab, or you can say it as simply Colab. Yes, this is how it is called. Now, the another interactive feature that Google offers to the developer is the use of GPU. Now, usually when you use any other kind of software to run Python, you have to purchase the GPUs or TPUs which are required to make your processing faster or make the data, the heavily running or algorithms to use your CPUs or the memory usage to run them faster and give you better results. Now, Colab supports GPU and it is totally free. So you do not have to pay for that. So the reason behind making it free for public could be to make it software a standard in the academics for teaching machine learning and data science. So Colab is being vastly used for data science and machine learning apart from Jupyter, which you may have heard earlier. But I will not get into Jupyter as of now. Yeah, let's concentrate on Google Colab. It may also have a long-term perspective of building a customer base for Google Cloud API, which are sold per use basis. So they have a business sense to it as well when they're offering something for free. So there's nothing in the world that is free. So Google is offering you something for free. In turn, they feel that the customer will stay on their system and use Google Cloud API, which will be sold per user basis irrespective of the reasons. Now, let's not get into all these things, irrespective of the reason. The introduction of Colab had eased the learning and development of machine learning applications for a lot of people because it is free, it is cloud based. You can store your work on Google Drive and you can access it from anywhere. Moreover, you can use it while sharing with your colleagues, and both of them or your colleagues and you all can work simultaneously on the same work or the same project that you're working. Yes. So let's get started.